With the Systemup Figma plugin, every designer on your team will be able to measure the adoption rate of the design system. This will enable teams to self-evaluate. Firstly, you need to have configured your design system on Systemup.io. To do this, watch the demonstration by clicking on the link in the description of this video. If I log into the application, I have my design system library imported successfully. I have the option to invite other members to my team on the Members page. Each invited member to my organization can connect to the plugin with their own credentials. Okay, now let's go back to Figma. You can download the Systemup plugin on Figma Community. You'll also find the link in the video description. Once installed, I'll go to any file that uses my design system. It doesn't need to be imported into the files to be measured on the Systemup application. I launch the plugin and log into my account. I select the frame I want to measure, click on the Start to Measure button. Awesome! I can see the adoption rate of my work. If I select another file, I can restart the measurement for that one. It's super easy. Log into Systemup.io and start measuring the adoption of your design system now.